this is a 4-pack of AA battery holders, and they come with kind of your standard snap, typical 9-volt battery connectors with bare wires. So I was sent this pack to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $10. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So we have 4 of these battery packs, and each of these battery packs will hold 4 AA sized batteries. Now, AA sized batteries typically produce 1.5 volts if you're talking about alkaline, or 1.2 if you're doing NIMH. And so the voltage coming out of this is not going to be 9 volts. It should be very close to 6 volts, maybe a little higher with these lithium-ion replacement batteries here. So we have 6.15, 6.14 volts coming out of here. So it is a 6-volt AA battery holder. Now they include these guys, which would typically be snapped to a 9-volt battery, but you can, snap it in here. Now when you do snap it in, the wires will be going off the battery holder in this direction, not coming out that way. And so you can solder this to whatever you need to get 6 volts into. Now, I don't like the design decision. I understand why they made it. I don't like the design decision because if you took this battery pack away, somebody might plug a 9-volt battery into your 6-volt device. Now, if you have a device with, a power regulator that can work from, anywhere from, 5 volts up to 20 volts, and it doesn't really matter the voltage, this might be a good thing. Maybe you can say, hey, power it with a 9-volt battery, power it with 4 AAs, whichever. But that's just something to keep in mind, is that, if you're presenting a 9-volt plug, somebody somewhere is going to plug a 9-volt battery into it. So make sure that that's acceptable for your situation. Now, quality-wise, they're black plastic. It's pretty typical black plastic. Springs are pretty reasonable. They feel a little bit stronger and sturdier than some springs I've seen in others. So it feels like pretty reasonable quality for a battery, battery holder. It's not like machined billet aluminum or anything fancy, but it's basically about the same quality I would expect from any other battery holder that takes 4 AA batteries. And if you really don't like this, you could potentially just solder wires directly to that thing. Although I think, if you want wires without this 9-volt plug, I think it'd be better to buy one of these that just comes with wires.